Okay, Aisha gave 1/4 of the cake to her friend, so she has 1 minus 1/4, which is 3/4 of the cake left. And she cut the remainder equally into 5 slices. So this 3/4 we have to divide it by 5. So it's equal to 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 5. So each of the slice is actually 3 over 20 of the whole cake. Okay, we can see that this square here, A, B, C, D, is actually made up of 4 equal triangles. Okay, it will be triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, and triangle 4. And out of this 4 triangles, 1 is shaded, and we have another square here that is shaded as well. So you can see that this large triangle here, right, it can be further split up into 4 smaller triangles, which is 1, and we draw a line across here, 2, 3, 4, and this shaded square, it forms 2 over 4 of this large triangle. So the shaded triangle will be 1 plus 2 over 4. So total we have 1.5 shaded triangles, and the fraction of the square ABCD that is being shaded, it will be 1.5 divided by 4, which is equal to 1.5 is actually 3 over 2, and if we divide by 4, is equivalent to 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 4. So we have 3 over 8. So the answer is 3 over 8. Okay, in order to find the common factors of 21 and 45, we have to first list out the factors of both numbers. Okay, factors of 21 is equal to 1, 3, 7, and 21. And factors of 45 will be 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. So the common factors are the numbers that are similar. So we can see that the common factors in this case, they are 1 and 3. So the answer is just 1 and 3. To find the common factors of 12 and 18, we have to first list down the factors of both numbers. Okay, so factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And factors of 18, it is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So the common factors, they are 1, 2, and 3. We can use the model method to solve this question. So we know that the cost of the pen is 3 over 5 the cost of the book. So we can say that the pen is 3 units and the book is 5 units. So the total cost price will be $32. 8 units is equal to $32. So the cost of the book, which is 5 units, it will be 5 divided by 8 times 32. That will give us $20. Okay, the mass of a container with 50 identical metal balls is 750 grams. So when 20 of the balls are removed, the mass of the container with the remaining balls, it became 510 gram. So with this we can find that the mass of the 20 balls is actually equal to 750 gram minus 510 grams. So we will have 240 grams. So what is the mass of each metal ball? It will be 240 divided by 20. That will give us 12 grams. Okay, we have a total of 110 people queuing up for concert tickets, and there are at least 3 women between any 2 men. So what is the largest possible number of men in the queue? Okay, to find the largest possible number of men, right, we have to assume that there is always only 3 women standing in between 2 men. So we can represent this with a diagram. That means we have a man followed by a woman, 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 man. Woman, 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 man. Woman, 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 man. So we can see that for every 4 people, there is 1 man. Every 4 people, there is 1 man. Every 4 people, there is 1 man. So to find the number of men in this arrangement, right, we just need to take 110 divided by 4. That will give us 27.5. So when we round off, we have to round down because there is no half a man. So the maximum number of men that we can have, it will be 27. Okay, Gopal has $30. So the number of packets that he can buy, it will be 30 divided by 7. That will give us 4 and 2 over 7. So he can buy a maximum of only 4 packets. So each packet has got 5 pens. So the number of pens that he can afford, that will be 4 times 5, which is 20. We can use model to solve this question. We know that there are 4 times as many chairs as tables. So we have 4 units for chairs and 1 unit for the tables. And altogether there are 60 of them. So we have 5 units is equal to 60. And 1 unit will be 60 divided by 5. We have 12. And 4 units is equal to 4 times 12, 48. So we know that number of chairs is equal to 48 and number of tables is equal to 12. And after that, we remove 18 chairs and some tables. And some tables here, and we find that there are 3 times as many chairs as the table. Okay, so initially we have 48 chairs, and after we remove 18, the number of chairs remaining, it will be 48 minus 18. That will give us 30. So 3 units is equal to 30. One unit is equal to 30 divided by 3, 10. So now we know that number of tables remaining, it is 10, and the number of tables removed, it has to be 12 minus 10 equal to 2. We have two numbers here, and one is 5 times the other, and they have exactly 6 common factors, and 3 of the common factors are 1, 2, and 9. So first of all, what we can do, right, is to find out what is the smaller number. And the smaller number can be found by finding the lowest common multiple of 1, 2, and 9. And that will be 1 times 2 times 9. That will give us 18. Okay, so since the smaller number is 18, we can list down the factors of 18. Is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Okay, so the other 3 common factors that are not listed here, it has to be 3, 6, and 18. Okay, and what are the two numbers? Since we have found the first number as 18, the second number is 5 times larger, 5 times as many as the first. So it has to be 18 times 5, that will be 90. Okay, so the answer here is 3, 6, and 18 for A, and 18 and 90 for part